Hey, it's Sunday morning and today we are on the top of Leukerbad and our goal for today is the longest via ferrata in Switzerland. This is the Daubenhorn and it's our destination for today, and we have to go a little bit down to start it somewhere there. So this is the beginning of the trail to via ferrata. It's quite slippery because of the recent rain. We are about to start actual via ferrata. There are so many people in here. Time to start. We made the easiest part of via ferrata and now it's about to some real climb. You can take a break if you want. Oh. Be careful and very oh fuck, I kicked my arm. It's a leather kingdom. Here's the flag. Right, this is the end of another part. Woo! This is a pretty nice section. You have to pull the cable and try to find your way. Oh! Alright. It's kind of easy if you trust your shoes and you pull the cable. Scary. What is scary here? You have to go down. You know, when you go down, you have to look down. And when you look down, it's always scary. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. Just want to show you this amazing place, super exposed, and you have to go up. Go up. Woohoo! Look how exposed it is in here. It's crazy. You can see the whole mountain. A bit more of crazy exposure. And again, you need to climb. I've arrived at a place when there is a monkey bridge. This is something which I really hate. It's like the worst part of via ferrata anywhere. Oh gosh, it's so scary. So now I'm in the cave. There's a nice echo and I have to climb. This is the hardest place. This is E. I'm not sure I'm gonna do this, but I have a better tester. Just stuck. Yeah. I'll try to make the hardest part as well. It wasn't that hard. Much. Another letter. Another part of via ferrata just ended, and this is the last part. My camera on the top just got completely depleted and I have to wait a little bit because I have a charger. Getting cold and cloudy, but we have to do our last thing, which is the something. So my camera is broken, so I'm using my phone to record this video. Hey. So it's like this. This is how my camera looks like after the collision. I still think it's easy to fix. I fixed my camera. It looks like it works. I hope you work. This ladder is super huge. That was super long. My last step on this via ferrata, yeah! End of via ferrata. Going to the top of Daubenhorn, which is very close. This is the official end! We made it. We are at the top of Daubenhorn peak, and it's the longest via ferrata in Switzerland. Not the hardest one, but it's extremely amazing. And now we're gonna eat our ritual chocolate. Maybe you heard that Switzerland is the country of chocolate. It's actually not. There is only one good company, which I know, this one. It's 72% Ariba, and it looks like this inside. The magical instruction about the notes of this specific chocolate. Inside you have a very beautiful texture. Very cold, very good chocolate. Oh, this one is a licorice note. And now it's time to go all the way down there. We are going down, and apparently there are lots of snow. We don't have any crampons, but it should be okay. We made like half an hour on our way back to the cable car, and the views are amazing. We descend down on the land, and it's still not yet the end of our hike, because we still have to go all the way to that side, and there is gonna be descent to Leukerbad. So we just got back to the car. It was 12 hours of via ferrata and hiking and crazy experience, and now we are super hungry and we're gonna go drive to get some food, and then we'll drive back home. We're about to finish our day with this beautiful food, which in my case is kebab. In this case it's falafel. Falafel. It doesn't look like falafel, but it looks like falafel. It's really good.